In the hood, family and friends, Throttle PHI here, and ngayon solo riding. So nasa taas tayo ng Tagaytay Ridge, andun yung Taal towards that direction, and then this direction right here is your Batangas. So yan, Taal Lake na siya. Time check 6:54. It's a Sunday morning and sobrang ganda ng weather dito sa Tagaytay. Sobrang cool and awesome. Have you ever got that feeling na parang something's incomplete? So lately, yun yung nararamdaman ko every time I visit my channel and, you know, watch the videos that I've created. So, especially yung first episode, papunta ng Padre Pio, pero eventually mission failed ang nangyari. Yun nga, madalas na-anxious ako and I feel incomplete about that. Ngayon, nakahanap tayo ng perfect time to complete the mission. And yun yung purpose ng ride na to for today, is to go to Padre Pio Church. Ang dami nangyari nun kasi sobrang excited ko lang. Since may camera, may action cam, tara, ride. And I was like shooting all over the places. Mostly puro kalsada lang yung nakikita nyo and stuff like that. And you know, over the course of time, I've learned how to improve on content creation. So hopefully, ma-enjoy nyo tong trip natin. So let's go and have fun. This is one of the most siguro iconic places to stop over kasi maraming riders na matambay at kumuha ng pictures. So hi guys. Mga fans ko yun, hindi lang nila alam na fans ko sila. O fans nila ako, fan ko sila. Let's G! So Tanawan area tayo ngayon. Pero medyo nawawala na ako. So check ko muna si Google Map kung paano pumunta sa Padre Pio Church. Time check 8:02 AM. So tamang pahinga rin muna. Actually we're not that far away, about 5.7 kilometers away na lang and 18 minutes to go. Saktong chill ride lang and mukhang heavy traffic sa Padre Pio near that area kasi it's a Sunday morning eh. So for sure maraming nagsisimba doon. So let's try to find out what we can see. Let's go! You know, welcome to the National Shrine of Saint Padre Pio. So we just have to make a right here. Siguro yun yung pinaka magiging landmark nyo here in Santo Tomas, Batangas. So yun, isa sa mga reason kung bakit rin gusto kong mag-visit ng mga churches, it's kasi feeling sa in my point of view lang naman, you know, yung mga old churches natin sa Philippines, it's very historical, you know, and I'd like to share the place with you guys. And aside from that, syempre, when we go out, we always want to give thanks and praise and be grateful kay Big Bro for always guiding us and for giving us the gift of life, and also to say a little prayer para sa family and loved ones natin, our friends who are in need of prayers. So yep, that's my reason. Ayun guys, Padre Pio Church na tayo. So, ate, ano yan?
Ito po siya, sir, wishing kanya sir, tawag po siya sa kahilingan.
Ah, okay.
Bawat kulay niya po, sir, may meaning na po siya.
Ayun, ang galing nga guys. Magkano yung ganito, te?
40 po.
Sige ate, pabili ako isa. Salamat! So, time check. 8:37 AM. Nandito na tayo sa Padre Pio parking lot. So, ito yung parking lot guys. 20 pesos ang bayad, walang limit. So mukhang safe naman siya kasi may mga nagbabantay. And then every hour daw merong misa dito sa Padre Pio Church. So ngayon yata mag-start na yung next mass. And I got us our wishing candles to say and give thanks. Dun sa loob daw pwede magsindi. Yun na yung Padre Pio Shrine or Padre Pio Church. So finally, yun nga, mission accomplished tayo when it comes to what our goal is for today. And para nga sa hindi nakakaalam, this ride is because of yung first episode natin ng Chill Ride is hindi natin natapos. Ito yung dapat nating goal, but due to lack of experience when it comes to creating of content, hindi natin natapos. So, I finally had the time and the chance to finish it, and yung feeling ng incomplete is matapos na. So, nakakatuwa at finally, I was able to get here and tour you guys around. Sobrang meaningful nito sa akin, emotionally and spiritually, because marami tayong kailangan ipagdasal and to ask forgiveness and to pray for our loved ones' well-being. We're lucky because actually I attended the mass. It's actually the feast of Santo Niño. the image of baby Jesus. We celebrate that today. Yung experience overall is sobrang saya. Even though maraming tao, they ensured that they observe yung protocols. Yun nga, pandemic ngayon, bawal lang 15 years old pababa and 65 years old pataas. So you're not allowed to enter the premise. Yung iba dito na lang tumatambay sa labas and naririnig mo rin yung mass or yung sermon ni Father because of the speaker or the sound system. And then inside the church, 1 meter apart talaga the chairs and yun nga yung seats labeled kung saan ka lang pwede umupo. Next is security and the guards. Constant sila naninita if there are people who are removing their face shield or putting down their face mask. Kahit sa pagkuha lang ng photos, sisitahin ka talaga ng guard. They wanna ensure that everybody follows the protocol. But still, we have to do our responsibility not to spread the virus. So, ayun, hanggang dito na lang yung video natin. Thanks for joining me finish this trip. And finally, again, we were able to visit PADRE PIO. So, reminder lang na if you guys are new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, and share it. Would really appreciate that. So, thank you guys. Throttle PHI out. See you on the next vlog.